Hi everyone, this is Manurao back with another interesting video. In this video I had used a new route, that is Hiii Southwestern Railways, which is done by yashas sir. And also in this video I had used new Roro truck freight, which is made by bsam. Special thanks for both of them, and also I would like to tell thanks for Kishan who helped me to buy bsam model. I personally love this road because my native is Udupi, which is located in Karnataka state, and also this route covers many areas of Karnataka like Bangalore, Mysore, Shivamogga, Dharwad, Hubli, etc. So if anyone wanted me to do commentary in Kannada, please comment in comment box. Twin UBL WDG4 locomotive, which is leading Roro train. As we can see that different types of truck in different angle, which is on the freight track. Our next station is Dharwad. We are going to skip Dharwad station. Let's have some close view of truck which is on the freight track. Enjoy the beautiful curving action of Roro train. We are crossing unnamed level crossing, and also we are very near to the Dharwad station. Track sound also sounds very good. We are approaching Dharwad station and we can see that Dharwad Express, which is led by KJM WDM3A, which is waiting for the signal. Dharwad Express, which is full of Utkarsh coaches, you can see that, and we are slowly skipping Dharwad station. We can hear the dynamic brake applying sound. Now let's have close look on Roro freight track. We can see Roro truck action more in Konkan Railways. As we are cross Dharwad station slowly. Enjoy the beautiful curving action of Roro train. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming gameplay videos in Msts and Openrails, and please keep supporting my channel.